know see up your drama. Everybody want them name to call. You want be a drama. In a dance hall, you know see up your drama. 7 times right and 7 times fall.
Yo, so that Mafia said it best. That Mafia said I be a drama in a dance hall. You see what go on. Hey, one thing me know for sure, you know. One thing me know for sure. Over the years, dancehall full of be a drama. Everywhere you turn a drama. Every week there is a different drama in a dancehall. You never notice that? You never notice that? When another one year war with that one year, other one year throw a word for that 1 year. When another them 2 year malice, yo. Dancehall full up a be a drama. So that Mafia say it right. You understand that I said that Mafia say a be a drama in a dancehall. Me I tell you no, me love that Junior.
Dark the truth, you know.
Me say yo, me have all a reason.
Wise are the people.
That song where that Mafia drop and me I say,
me no know where them your heart is at the pan. Me no know where them your heart is at the pan. Take the fan them before you must think them have a fan. Your mouth are your greatest weapon. You want be a drama in a dance hall. You know see up your drama. Everybody want them name to call. You want be a drama in a dance hall. You know see up your drama. 7 times right and 7 times fall.
The latest drama in a dancehall right now have to do with Mr. Vegas and Mr. Handsome. Everybody know well, Mr. Handsome is not a dancehall artist, but Mr. Handsome is a entertainer in Jamaica. You understand me? I say he's a Jamaican entertainer. Mr. Vegas is a dancehall artist. Everybody know who Vegas is. And most are supposed to know who Mr. Handsome is. You understand? So these are the latest drama in a dancehall right now. See that Mafia just check in them. Big up yourself, my boss.
Wagwan.
But they ain't brother. Hey, Mr. Me they ain't Mafia. I'm say me I make I'm just run across that song there and just say, oh, the perfect song this we start out the reason.
Real thing that. Everything we sing are real, you know. Be a real sitting we sing, you know.
Yo, may I tell you, people, remember me telling you what go on, hey Mafia. No buffing over the fire ends, you know, we're buffering and go. You see me I say, alright, here you again. People, may I tell you. So everybody don't know, well, if all I want to hear what go on. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Vegas burn a fire for Mr. Handsome because of some documentation that Mr. Vegas come across. You see me I say? And Vegas decides to expose Mr. Handsome because of all of that. You see me I say? But then now Vegas get a backlash from the Christian community. Everybody has say, yo, Mr. Handsome fast, need to stay and fast and all of them things there. But Vegas I dig up them dirt them and all of them things there and ask Vegas if him not have a pass. Why am I worried about the man pass and all of that? You see me I say? So right now, are the latest drama that in a dance hall. You understand? So at that me and that Mafia go all a reason. But Mafia, what you have to say about that one? Make we jump in it.
Yeah man, me no wrong Vegas man, I have a burn out the man them man where we pick them man. Yeah, then me tell you say, I check out the story and I love where Vegas I say, burn out the man blows that skirt, cause me love business owner man be about no Christian and anything. And people are coming I'm an idiot. And the while they want go on like say, if a man even do one, I say, all right man them where do them sitting there. I burn have to burn them out straight. I mean no business them turn no Christian or what. We not sorry for them. Because right now, so, if a man really do that for sure, you can't just say,
yo, Mr. Mafia need to take out the internet box and dash it down the road. Here's what I say. If I flow, I digital Mafia Mafia need to call them tomorrow and say, hey, y'all hear me? This now work, you know, come and step on a reason with a big boss, unstoppable. I have it now. You know what I say? Mafia need to call them up tomorrow and cuss them. You see me? Because today you have all a reason that here. I'm Mafia internet box and hey, watch out now, man. You see me? But you see, my thing is still on a serious note. Me don't find no fault to do a Vegas. You see me? I say, me personally don't find no fault to do a Vegas. And I just the other day I do a video where I say, if there are any offenders, right, in Jamaica who got convicted for child molestation, there needs to be a registry in Jamaica where their name gets registered and the public needs to know. Just the other day before Vegas even forward out and said this, me do a video at the very same thing. You understand? Me never even know nothing about Mr. Handsome and none of them things there. You understand? And me do a video at the very same thing. When me I say if there is any, see it? If there is any person in Jamaica who committed a sexual offense, right? Whether it be towards a child or a female or anybody, as long as they got convicted of this offense, right? As long as them get convicted, there needs to be a registry in Jamaica where this person name is registered and the public supposed to know about it. You understand what I say? That's not supposed to be kept a secret. So that is the reason why me personally agree with what Mr. Vegas said. Now, when the people out and them are burn out Vegas, me not agree with that. You understand? And this is why I said this to the other day. Why is it that it's okay for a man because he's a Christian, then you give him a pardon? If I did that Mafia, Vegas exposed that we are Mafia and say, yo, Pandan Mafia. You know, say them would have burned you to the ground right now, Mafia.
Then I'm glad, man, and talk one bag of sitting about me, man.
Yo, right now you would have to go hide Mafia if I did you.
I did in a show, man.
You know what I'm saying? But simply because this is a Christian man, then the Christian people are going to come out now and defend this. When at the end of the day, if it was anybody else, they are the same ones who would have bashed a person. See it? And then the next thing too. The next thing too, you know, Mafia. You know why them are go so hard for Vegas?
Yeah.
Because of Vegas are the messenger.
Yeah.
You see, if it was somebody else too, they wouldn't go so hard, you know. But you see, because they don't like Vegas. See it? Them not look on the message, you know. Them a look on the messenger and say, oh, we don't like that boy a long time, so we don't care what the message you might bring, we are going to burn it. You get what I say? I don't know if you not agree with me, the people, but I just saw me a view it. You understand what I say? Enough people jump up and them say, yo, we don't like child molesters, we don't like people who abuse children and all these things. But yet at the same time, when something like this come in front of your face now, you say, oh, it's something that in time past, make it, no. Where's the
brother, no pass, no in that. When a man touch speak there, a straight fire. I tell you. Hey, I that the church do all the while. I cover up for sex offender. I cover up for all some priests who are rape off a little boy them and sit. When I defend that, the church I cause them they sit in the past society. And man I left and people I left them picnic with some man in a church and some people where abuse them. I years that are going. You see me I say? Yeah. That then do in a church, brother. You see me?
Brother, look, a years now for me, I grew up, I years that the Pope molest be a little boy picnic. Years now, for me, I grew up, I beer that me here, said the Pope, I one of the biggest child molesters in the world, and I know. You ever hear of the Pope getting convicted?
I know, man, the church no business with that, man, because that then deal with it, now. You see me? So I want to tell you, say, yo, them I use and I blind the people, them. Friend of man rape picking it any at all, man. I no business wish Christian in Saint Town, man. I done with him same way. I not part with no picking the raper, brother. You know, see the man them anything they want to do now, they use church for bypass, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
All kind of wrongs now, you know. And you just run going to church and you're alright, you know. You understand?
Them say you wash your sins away, man. So I guess once you go in a church and wash your sins away when you're a pedophile, then you're no longer a pedophile, eh?
You're mad. Any man will touch picnic, I don't trust him, brother. I don't nut with him, I'm done with him. Because you see, if you're going to really touch a picnic dog, something really wrong with you. You understand? And a psychological problem that. Because we as man, we're supposed to take care of like a picnic, brethren. That's what I know where the world used to go. But you see Jamaica, them are put up with too much slackness now and I uphold everything where we used to beat out against and lick out against. When we look Jamaica in it fully. So I'll know if you have burn out a man to make a certain funny move or a certain thing, it's the same yardie them a different thing now. I wonder where the world gone to, brethren. You see me? Yeah. And that's some woman always take up for him and them my youth. And I talk about leave him alone, he's doing his thing and doing which thing. For you're wrong, brother. You see me? Just like how you can burn out the next crime, picnic raping is wrong. And for a man involved in that right now, we have to keep burning him. And the people them have to know who him is. But I come hide back in a church and come go like say you in a church now. Everything good. Because you did rape one little boy, my youth, and you rape little boy and little girl. A big problem. I'm not cover down that. I mean, I'm in a church or nothing then. If I saw, I don't with church.
Mafia, watch ya. Alright. Make we call it what it is. See it? So, the people them who are defend this, they must say, when you read the document, it does not say him molest no child, right? This is what the people them must say no, we are defend it and go up a papers. They must say the document no say him molest no child. They must say them find child pornography on a device where him own, and that's what they charge. See it? Right. That's what them say. Now, my thing is, Mafia.
Yeah.
Them find you with child pornography on your phone. I done your career done.
I done, man. Me no business. From you have that in your possession, me done with you. Me I tell you.
Brother,
why you don't want? Why a man that want to look upon that? I must something other way their mind I go.
Exactly.
So once you get found with that, you're just as guilty as touching a kid.
Yeah, and then even the brother, we do a video of Bono Vegas wicked, right? Bono Vegas wicked. I say, yo, the man wasn't convicted of nothing and really. I mean, the man wasn't involved in nothing. The document I said, phone them find this and really, and they must. So you see the message them where them claim say Vegas send a girl where I said when she had 13, Vegas post her forgiven. You see the message there?
Me hear about that something there.
But brother, my take on that Mafia is this. My youth, me can sit down right here so right now and make up a fake message and say a Dan Mafia message me.
Yeah.
I'll have to take your picture and put under a number, my brother, and write and name the number, title the number Dan Mafia, You see me I say?
I screenshot it and say, yeah, I mean.
Exactly. You see me I say, and send it out and say, me and Dan Mafia have a conversation. So, what me I say, before people start throw Vegas under the bus, how about them find facts first? See, what Vegas do, Vegas present facts, Vegas present something in the public domain, my brother. This is something out there for public knowledge, You understand? Yeah. Vegas never create nothing and say, yo, and me come up with this. And something out there. You understand?
Yeah.
So, at the end of the day, before them come, because listen, all of this are tricks in the trade, my brother. See it? Vegas forward and expose something, them are going to come now and try to conquer. Oh, listen me. How convenient it is that the same age group when them said, brother, they did involve with, and the same age group, the girl come and said she was when Vegas allegedly did a mess with her. 13.
Yeah. Make them make up that, man. No go so, man. So, I know Vegas long time still. I know Vegas as a real youth. I mean, to carry Vegas as studio go tell them to advise him. Vegas are my friend. Vegas not rape no picnic. Yo, you have to know what type of man them will do there sitting there, dog. So, man, you can know how a man moving or that. From you come around me, you say, yo, me a man, a real man. If I picnic about you, I take care of picnic virgin. If me I did my woman, I did all my woman and she gone left me with her daughter all 2-3 days. I not look on her daughter, my own. Because I like a picnic, me know that within myself. You have to respect yourself, brother. And yourself first, you have to respect, So when you respect yourself, you're not going to get involved in a certain things, dog. Oh, picnic for there on me. I'm supposed to protect picnic. And when you look now, me I go bring certain things to them. That means I don't rate myself, dog. Me is not a real man. So you see, once you do that, something psychologically wrong with you and your mind twisted. You're a pervert. And once you're a pervert, that's not easy to change. No man can't tell me nothing. A God come down and I even can touch you or what? Oh, you just change all of a sudden. Me not trust you with no picnic. I fire bun for pervert. A long time I tell you, say, yo, you see them people here? The way me your brother in a red shirt are going, over Vegas, I come like the man vex how Vegas can stir up the ansness, Come like a that him look like him well into it, and him no want nobody to know. Brother, for a man a burn out pedophile, I have to agree, brother. Me no idiot, you see me? Really? So if the man, once a man hold you with them thing that on your phone, child porn also, you're a damn pervert, brethren. Because real man now keep that on their phone.
You're not supposed to have them thing there on your phone to begin with, brother. You see me? May I show you something, Mafia? You know, say one day one girl send me. I don't know. All the video that probably I'll reach you to all, Mafia. One day one girl send me a video of 2 little picnic. See it? Lay down in a bed and them are try to do man and woman things, brother. And me never know what. And as soon as I open the message, I just suck my teeth and delete it and send a message to the girl and say, my girl, you hear me? You shouldn't even send around them thing here. You
don't want to see that.
You shouldn't even send around them thing here. And when you get them thing here, don't send it to my phone. You see me? I say, 2 little picnic, you know. I try to do man and woman thing. And it upset me, my brother. You see me?
don't want to see it. I don't like.
Be comfortable for have them thing there on them phone.
I see them send around all video there with school picnic in a class and rare. I don't want to see them thing there on my phone. If a man send that to me, I say, yo brother, why you send that to me for? I don't want to see no little girl and a little picnic thing, brethren. I don't want to see that. I don't want everything I want to see on my phone either. You know? You understand? Certain things I don't want to see on my phone, brethren. That's why I do our songs. I'm tired of them they sitting there on my phone. But right now, that brother there in a red shirt, him sound like he hurt. Because him a deal with Vegas like said the man ran. Brother, once a man he used to touch the picnic or a man get hold with picnic sitting on his phone, brethren, or what. That man cannot be trusted with picnic, my youth. And at that me I say, me no business what kind of flour him a give it, what kind of rice, what kind of pants, what kind of shot. We don't want nothing from you for we picnic them because you have to come around and touch up the picnic them and we have to go burn in our village, you know.
You see me? Because them make it, them talk about your past and if somebody can't have a past. Brother, if you do something like that in your past, me no want you around my picnic in the present.
Never.
I say, and guess what? Nobody never know about it in Jamaica. Who know about it until Vegas reveal it? Nobody.
Brother, me never know but that brother they look like me used to see him face now and play one time, you know.
Yeah man, they're not big comedian man. But you see, at that now Vegas touch a point. Vegas touch on a point today, you know. Vegas said, what's about them Jamaican here? If somebody can, as long as somebody can give you a little entertainment and make you no laugh, you no go on like say you no see the bad where them do. You see what I say? But because Vegas is a man we talk out for the right, them want burn him and them not like it.
Cause where you used to name, where brother used to name in a comedy now?
Girly.
They're not big, yo, that's a long time I don't like that brother there. Cause me I look on this and I say, but I know that brother, I don't like him. Cause a long time I know say I'm more funny. I mean I stop talk that. Before, I never know say I'm no Christian or no nothing. But for a long time I used to see them and then I play at fishy. I mean I saw that brother I move so. I don't like him style of acting neither. You see me? So right now, when I see him look a while I can't talk like him a Christian. I watch one sitting. When I try to preach and sitting. Them the man the actor my youth. I don't trust no actor. Because for your act, me don't know when you act from when you be yourself. You understand? Yeah. Man, when we play picnic, you can't let go picnic around them and let them go around picnic dog. Once you mix up in a them thing, the any at all. Me no business if you touch a picnic or not. Once you have the thing by your phone, you're a damn pedophile. Because pedophile alone that watch my child porn sitting in my youth. Me not watch that, you know, brother.
A real talk.
And if a man lean, it's a lean man alone I go watch lean things, you know. That's why I'm straight and I see what's sitting. Me not watch it, I not keep it in my phone, I don't want to see it, I not take no part of that. Because that not have no effect on me, I don't want in that. You understand?
Yeah.
So that was your mindset. After you have that mindset there, you come now, you say you're a Christian. The whole lot of people them believe up in there, you know. When you look then left them picnic them around you, when you look you rape off a little boy them, you feel up a little girl them. And there they are dead in Jamaica because Jamaica go on like them and Lego certain things so much. And I go on them a fool. And every little thing they want accept. And go on like say, oh, they leave the man alone. The man live wish life. If you can corrupt with little picnic them and mash up a picnic them for you for sure. Well, me listen when Vegas I say everything where man I say right, brethren.
Real talk, my brother. I agree with everything where Vegas say, man. You see me, and then them come set up the man now and talk about him force little girl 13-year-old for give him head of them thing there. Yo, the minute me read them, when them come, the minute me read them message, them just shake me and I say, yo, this is just a lame attempt to try and bring down the man because it exposed them. You see what I say? Nothing more than that. You know?
Talk the truth, brother.
I lay him at him. You see what I say? But the thing is, one thing I know about Vega, you know, brother, them can't stop him from talking the truth, you know. Them can't stop him from talking the truth. As long as things be Vegas burn out, him go burn it. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. Enough people don't like Vegas, and the reason why them don't like Vegas, we're gonna tell you straight. It's not that Vegas is not a good youth, you know. But you say people don't like people when come straight. People like yes man. You understand what I say?
They don't like me too, brother. Enough people don't like me too, you know. Come in.
People like people who are gonna conform to how them want them to be, and people like people who are yes man. Them not like people who speak their mind. Them not like people who come straight. Them not like people who say things the way it's supposed to be said. You understand? But the minute you conform and be how them want you to be, yeah man, yo, me love Unstoppable. Yeah man, me love that Mafia. You see me? The minute you conform in a them way how them want you to be, and that's why
I fake people and people are coming out there and love, brother. There's a man who chat the truth and enough people don't like me too. I chat the truth, brother. I truth me I deal with, brother. Anything me I talk, I just when me I talk, and me not have to make up no bag of thing. Me just talk when me know, brother, and when me I say. If you ask me same thing 10 years down the line, same thing me I say because I truth me I deal with. See? So Vegas have to burn out certain things which one when me look into it. All I go like they want to come jump on the man case now and go like they want to come disappear man. Come like I same thing, them in a top. Because we right now, enough of them in a church and in a be idiot thing same way. You see me?
Then the regular way of the pastor, them man. Come on, man. You give us himself say, look on all the little 12-year-old with them breed off and all them sitting there.
Yeah, I can't talk like say. Like pastor saying that. When me look come grow to a pastor, you know. And when me in a church, you know, every minute me see pastor look for one little young girl them in a church. I call them in our office, have them in the lock up all 1 blow hour, 2 hour. I mean, I wonder that little youth I said, then I will pass off and go lock up with them, the people. So, me, I wonder that as little youth, you know. And when me grow big, me I find out, say, one youth will live in a pastor yard where they say a pastor nephew. Me I find out, say, I want a little girl them pastor breed and get that youth there, you know. And when me grow big, me I find out that now. And then time there, if me even ramp with one little girl them in a church, pastor want beat, we say a sin, we a sin.
Pastor get mad.
Pastor them are evil. Yeah, I'm going like we don't ramp with no girl, I'm going like say, I biggest sin that, and I quote scripture. Yeah. And when we look pastor there with everybody in our church. Pastor have all one farm, you know. And when pastor don't take care of animal them a morning time, pastor up by farm how long and can't come down. And then time our church sister live near. And when me look at upper church sister yard pastor there, me as a little kid I figure that out. I say, you know, it's sitting alright. Pastor coming like him a day with the woman here, you know. Me cannot figure that out, you know. So me not trust nobody I can tell me about no bag of pastor. You have to know who we are dealing with. Some of them are wicked and liar. You see me? I mean I support them. I burn them out straight. And when me look at me grow with Christian people and they ill treat me. Pastor and his wife, they used to treat me bad. I answer them my biggest Christian when they go to church. Be a spirit them I get in and the way they ill treat me for a little youth. I treat me like me a slave. I mean I say, I want to tell my people about them a Christian. I run me run left them there now. I come at town, go to music by me, you know, and try to make a life of my own. People them used to treat me like dog, my youth. People them all have them TV and I talk about me not to watch them TV, you know. As a little youth, you know. Fat Albert and the Cosby Kids and Circle Square. And they sitting there go, when me look, me can't watch them, you know. And but me not eat on them table. And me not drink no water out of them fridge. And me not be in them bathroom. Big old Christian them will say, I heaven them are going, you know. And brother, I run left them the people and come at town, come to an artist. And when I go back there, I frame me see them cut out my picture. And frame up, put up on wall and I tell everybody, say, boy, we tell some people say we grow and then I believe in it. And I just steer them some money and sit and deal with them good same way. And when I go up a farm same way, you know. And go feed up, hug them and clean up the folk and do everything what I used to do when me clean up. Then time you know, I want girl me a par with, you know, and I tell her my life story, you know. And she said she can't believe so I go through them things there. I said, I go up there. I will go up there. And when she look, me and her up at the farm and me do everything what me used to do. when me a little youth. And so me come down, I had the woman set up big breakfast, everything now for me now, you know, cause me a special guest now, you know. And me just give them my money and tell them, say, yo, me soon come and me I go around the road. And go around and my family them. I know business back with them and the girl nearly jumped down because the girl can't believe say I chew me attack. Cause me I tell her my life story, you know, and I say, yo, when me little, me go to one pastor, the man used to beat me with electric wire and hose my youth. But him a beat me for learn to make up wood fire for make dog feed and then sitting there. And when the man beat me in the dark, I cut my back cut up. And when me reach back out of school, I bleed, me whole of me shut blood up, brethren. And the school people them ask me, what go on, and I have to tell them. I be a thing I go through amongst Christian. And blouse and skirt I go on like say, yo, and they my best people in the world, my youth. And they used to treat me bad. I want next youth in the yard and they treat him like him a king over me. And go on like him can't wrong. And you see me, I be a treat me, brethren. If I never have music business and say, yo, me I go take up music and me I run with. I run with come a town in the dark when me about 13 years old, you know. And say me done with people, you know, me not make nobody suffer me no more. Because everywhere me go sing and DJ, everybody love me. And when me go to church go sing, I pay people are real for me. And when you look, me that save my life, brethren. Me have to cut left Christian. No man can't tell me nothing. I don't trust no whole Christian and nothing either. You see me? Because I go through it and know them stay there. I be a wicked them, some of them.
John, my brother. Yo, trust me. A whole heap of people go through it, man, Mafia. A whole heap of people go through it. You understand me? Some people still go through it right now. You understand?
What do you
mean? Still I go through it right now, as a matter of fact. You understand? Because if I tell you some of the things that when me hear about when people call me and tell me, Mafia, when them faced with pastor. You understand?
What do you mean?
When them faced, when them go through with pastor when them pick me. If me ever tell you I throw people business and me can't put it out right here, so. You see what I say? But I know people.
Everything you do. God then say everything you do, you know. All you have to do is ask forgiveness, you know. So when them in a church, that no means that they stop. You see me?
Get free is what you say.
Everything you do, you can just ask forgiveness for you alright again, you know. That's a church run, you know.
That's what them say.
So right now.
But Mafia, that's why them as the Vegas need to leave them on alone, man, because him done wash away him sins, man.
Brother, me not burn out every Christian, but you have some people where use the Christianity thing as a shield over the wrong where them do. So you can't just chew down everything and trust people. So chew them say them are Christian. You understand? And you have to learn to figure out who really serious or who really real or what. You understand?
But
me not go come burn out nobody and say, boy, I'm done with everybody in a church. Because me still go to church more time, go sing and something. And get a whole vibes with the church people them. See me here. But in my mind, then nobody come feel like they can trick me and tell me no bag of thing. I know everything. I go through everything when I liquor. You understand?
Mm-hmm. And every one of them, but you know. And every one of them, some of them really live a pure life still, you know. You see what I say? But the thing about it is, oh, you know which one of them real, for which one of them are pretend.
Then from man, that's how it come in now. From your name even call near a thing. I pray up straight. Me not go drop my guard and talk about, yo, that is in the past, man. You know which past? From your name call near the thing, brother. All when in a church, me still a pray. I say, yo, this is a brother, I don't trust him, you know. I'm not left no picnic around you. You see me?
Yo, everybody speak up yourself. Yo, so what you know, Mafia? So why do they put that one day? Or they want them in a church now? I don't know if you see that video here one day. So you know see a riot broke out in a certain parts of the states because of one pastor. You know see that video there?
Where's that? What go on?
Riot broke out, man. It's like this pastor now. During this whole time where everything are going on and people are hungry, see the pastor now give back nothing to the congregation, but church are going and the man are going to get up and say, yo, he might expect the congregation when I offering time, $1,000 he want each member to contribute for offering.
A thief, man. About $1,000. Which part we get it from?
No.
We don't give him nothing, man.
Each member to contribute $1,000 for offering, my brother. And the man them start riot in a church. You see, the pastor drive a fat Rolls Royce.
They no regular, I see them sitting on the pastor, them rich out type people, them brother. Come I go to church already, you know. I see one big pastor, one popular pastor boy I preaching, and I watch him. Because when I go to church, I listen to them and say, I'm a pre them, I know what I go on. And you see, all the time, the man wife now do nothing, the man wife just there by herself out of one part, see? And you know, when I see your wife coming to church, when the man ready for selling things them. Say him sell water and him sell olive oil and when you look, you know, guess how I deal with the money part. Now man wife my out, that tear the people them a tear. Them a tear if you go their yard, go check out for them riches them. I left the people them poor. You see me? Cause how me for pay. After the man say, come up now. I will go choir. We go to altar now. Cause me man, me not hide from go for prayer, you know. Yeah. Me always need prayer, you know. See? Yeah. And when me go to altar, me frightened when the man tell me say, yo, you hear me? Me need to pop out $1,000 for your prayer, you know. I jump. Me nearly jump down, you know, dog. Come here, say.
Pastor tell you directly say you need to pay $1,000 for your prayer.
Oh, you mean, cause the man tell me say, yo, the man call now and say everybody will want prayer to come up. So true, the man preach and he sound lively, cause the man, me listen to pastor them and work with them, you know, cause if they sound lively and rare, you know. I say, yeah, the man happy, because I don't like boring pastor where just go on like them boring, you know. But like man, we are talking things I understand. So when the man say prayer now, I say, what you mean? The man like I even pray for me or what? Let's reach up there. I kneel down and acquire good. Then I take off my bag. Remember, I have my side bag, you know, with my money in there, you know. I take off and left the woman when I go to church with, you know. Because I want woman can go to church, you know. See? Yeah. And when me look in a general, the man said, in order for him pray for me now, you know. Me have to put $1,000 in my plate, you know. Me say me nearly drop down one, tell the man, say, me not have no money, but me look into that and say, me not drop it, you know. I have to go back to the woman, go take it bag and take out $1,000 out there and put it in my plate. Before me get, and from that, me nobody believe in that. You know, say that make me not, that prayer didn't work. That prayer didn't work, you know. Because I nobody believe in that prayer there. Because the man tell me say, if me not drop her money in her plate, he can't pray for me. So I say, I buy prayer or what? Yeah. I tell you say, that man they a big popular pastor we popular, we they both every day people know. Alright, you know, and when the man I go tell.
Expose him.
You know, say me not do it because people are going to be. Me nah do it, brother. People them pastor. Can me try to tell one girl? And you know say, me I tell one girl about the man. And the girl begs with me. I say, yo, you hear me, man? Me can't say that about our pastor and Rere. And I take vehicle go much mile when the man I keep crusade. And me I said that the man then can't trick me because I go to church already and the man tell me say, for pay him, for pray for me. And the man tell me say by the next day, how much money me I go get on one bag of sit. Me say for that, me I wait for me day. Hey, but say, you know what that me do that depend pan. You see me? The man say, oh, by the next day me I go see what God do for me. You see the next day? God no remember me. God asleep that day, man. God never wake up.
God never even did it at the time when he claims him a pray for you, and that's that me I try to tell you.
Because people them tell you say, but say, Corona go on and me pastor talk about. Remember your tithes, people. I know you're not working, but remember your tithes. And God not God business with no tithes, man. A lot of people them tell man, nothing about that man.
Go back to the people, brother. Because watch ya, as me say with that brother then no. Mafia, you can't imagine. I mean, I blame the people them we riot neither, we kick up and start midnight. See, I blame them neither because Mafia, you can't imagine, brother. Me, you know, as a church member now, I go to church every Sunday, and me I contribute my offering, me I contribute my tithes, and me I make sure I say everything good. See?
Yeah.
And then now, a time like this forward when enough people get laid off,
enough
people get fired, enough people now no work, enough people now no income. See?
Yeah.
And then now church open up back. You understand? And you know what? Me still have the faith, me still hold the faith, me still have believe. You understand? Even though things rough right now, I still believe that God are going to make a way. See it? I mean, say, alright, you know what church open up back this open up for a reason. It's a sign, right? I might not know work, but me a God church. Boom, now me God church now, Sunday morning, Mafia, right? Yeah. Then you know, pastor preach and everything look good, everything look nice, and then average time come round, pastor go look for me and tell me, say, brother, unstoppable. Your contribution this Sunday needs to be $1,000 because, as you know, church service was cancelled due to the whole corona. Months.
Oi, no go someone. Right, there's some man in my kick off, man.
Yo.
Why, bro?
Mafia, when you done get up, you all the holy water, me a grab and dash pan him in a man.
Hey, brother, a problem, man. Like, one time, I tell you, when I to go to church, man, they must say prayer meeting I keep every Thursday night, brother. See it? Yeah. I'm a station, I was a little youth. Remember, I go to school in then. I'm a little picnic, you know, about 10, 11. And when I go to church, you know, then when I keep church late, like say, you know, and when I look prayer meeting I go on. See it? And when I look me down, pastor I pray and I drop asleep, you know, brother. Me I tell you that, you know. Pastor I pray and I pray be a foolishness more time and we are laughing, you know. I say, yo, Kuya, where man I pray? Man I pray for all the rum factory and I pray for all some different shit where pastor not supposed to pray for. See it? And when you look now, some start finding and say, yo, this is sitting here, I can't bother, I can't sleep, more and sleep, you know, brother. See it? As I go in altar, you know what I do as I go in altar? It's something where they kneel down pan. I just wait till everybody kneel down, you know. And close their eye, you know. You see when I long sit them when they kneel down pan, I just spread out one other and go and rest my nerves, you know, dog. They don't know what I say. I sleep, and when I look, I split. Who I pray, I don't know. I'm jump asleep, you know. So pray, I don't know. And the light them turn on back in the church and everything now. I'm middle the light down and me go church asleep, you know. Cause remember I said I don't know what's the church start. Hey, you tell me listen. A big preaching me I go on, you know. Over me head, you know. The man said, the Bible said, the Bible tell you about the sluggards and those that love to sleep. And rare. And me, man, I preach for right away, you know. Everybody I get that spirit that time. Me a little picnic in a church, you know. Me say me just get up and, hey, when me wake up, you know, I big old light, me see in my face, everybody the back in them bench and everything, you know. And when me listen to me sermon depend now, you know. Yeah. Get up and sit down, man, and say, all them people are joke thing, them people are depend on. Because I want to know what me do. And I'm tired, brother. You see me? I don't like, brethren. Yo, too much hypocrisy and too much lie, brethren. Everything they run down my church, I tell them this and that. Right now, you have to know what you do, people. Because if pastor them are general.
You know what I can't understand, and this is something I could never understand doing the Mafia. Maybe you can explain it to me, because you're knowledgeable. So, I'm going to leave, I put that one in a year quote, make you answer it for me. Why is it that when God have a message for me, he come to you, he tell me? And that part, the more I understand, man. Because I could have never get that part. You see what I'm saying? Hey. God have a message for me.
God has no message going in nobody, man. I lie them I tell, brother.
No try to figure out, you know. When God have a message to me, why him skip past me and come to you, for you and give me the message?
Because nobody know a telephone number for God, you know. And nobody know WhatsApp God or nothing, you know. You know what I mean? Like, some people are saying some sitting for my WhatsApp. But say God say you have to pass on this to 50 people or else really. Which part God turn and tell him that?
Me hate them.
God now know WhatsApp my youth.
Me hate
a lot of people have tell from God, brother.
Remember before WhatsApp and email they used to send it through in the Mafia. We used to get this big old email, this long old paragraph email, and them talk about send this to 10 people, and tomorrow this will happen. And yo, me hate them.
When Corona go on, who like pastor them lock up in their house and pray people. Nobody is supposed to afraid of Corona. Because if me I go to church, you know, and me say God I go save my soul, you know. What me afraid of Corona for? I dead me for dead and my case go out of heaven. Go drink honey and lime. Because if you're a Christian and you know say your life I go see your soul saved. You know if you fret about dead. Christian if you fret about dead. So how come Christian if you obey a rule no one I say? Okay, we'll work with the rule. We'll social distance. We'll keep church 3 times a day. Pastor supposed to in charge of that and not supposed to do nobody, you know, because a God in our church I take care of people. You understand? First thing, pastor, no have no license going, you know.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.